Do your kids love ice cream as much as mine do, but you don't want them to have the sugar and calories that go with it? Well, if you're anything like me, you might be trying to think of creative options to help your kids eat healthier and maybe yourself too. So today I wanted to show you this quick video about how to make a homemade ice cream sandwich that's actually pretty nutritious and even macronutrient balanced. Now don't let that scare you. Macronutrients are very simple. I have some other videos on my channel about that. But super quick, we're talking protein, carbohydrate, healthy fat, real simple. So what I wanted to do is show you how to make this homemade ice cream sandwich. If I haven't met you yet, hello and welcome. My name is Alicia Jones, and we're gonna dive right in. So these are some cookies that I made that are actually already hidden veggie, hidden protein, okay? These are already macronutrient balanced. The recipe is in this book. If you want it, I will put the information in the description of this video. So what you do is you make these cookies. So that's step one, okay? These are what I like to call sweet potato double chip cookies. That is what it sounds like, with a whole bunch of hidden fiber, nutrients, and protein. An awesome kind of snack for kids after school or for moms during the day when you want a sweet treat. Anyways, what you do is you take this cookie here, right? Can you see this? Okay, and then you're just gonna cut it in half. Now I have two boys, so depending on how many kids you have, you may want to make a couple. I'm just going to make two here to show you how I would do it. For my two boys, they are 6 and, oh my gosh, they're 7. They're 7. He's just turned 7. Anyways, so he's 7 and then 8, so I have almost 9 years old. Anyways, so you have the cookie in half, see? Okay, so we've got this, I just cut it in half. So still we're controlling portion size, we're giving them nutrients, and you're gonna pull out your very favorite whipped cream, whether it's dairy-based, plant-based, whatever you need to do in regards to your nutritional needs. Okay, I'm okay with dairy, and I know not everybody is, so this is actually just regular dairy. Anyways, what you do is this is whipped cream, right? So we're gonna put it here. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're actually just gonna layer the top of the cookie right on top like that. So it kind of looks cute, right? Now, if you want a bonus, go ahead and put some little sprinkles around the side there. That's fun. I've done that before for my boys. Today, I just wanted to show you the basics. So you can go do this today, okay? Here's number 2. We put this like this. And what's really cool is we're gonna put this in the freezer, and it's gonna freeze just like this. So when they pull it out, I'm literally gonna put their plate in the freezer like this, see, okay? And by the time they get home from school today, I'm just gonna put it in the freezer right now, it's gonna be an ice cream sandwich. So they're gonna pull it out and it's gonna be all frozen. So I hope this was helpful for you. If so, go ahead, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you think would be helpful. For any other moms you know who are looking for healthy options for their kids, that's what you'll be getting on this channel and learning a little bit about macronutrients along the way, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this homemade ice cream sandwich today. And then you learned some things about macronutrients and even how to make some hidden veggie yummies for your kids. If so, go ahead and grab the resources I put for you in the description of this video. I will put this book, and also I have a snack list you can grab that's super handy for kids, especially after school. Okay, thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.